What do you
Okay,
see
Mike.
as the worst case scenario? And do you think we get a damaging disinflationary impulse out of this?
Well, I'm not going to go through scenarios now. We only have 10 minutes, and that would take longer. What I will say, though, and I think it's an excellent question, because you'll see there was some discussion back in January and February that were we to be hit with the corona virus. And it's important to remember that the first fatality in the U.S. was in very late February or early March. And as a result, there was some speculation at the time that if we got hit with the pandemic, that because of supply chains, that it was an adverse supply shock, which would be inflationary. I never believed that. I never bought into that. I always thought if we got hit with the virus spread, that it would, in net, be a shock to aggregate demand, and that's what I think it is. And demand is impacting very adversely. We're trying to offset that with our policies, and fiscal policies playing an important role, but I think on net it's disinflationary. I don't believe it's deflationary. I think we have the tools to keep the U.S. economy out of deflation and to support the economy through this challenging period. But on the narrow question of is this more of a supply or demand shock, it's definitely more of a demand shock, I believe.